Welcome to the future of capability with this stunning 2026 Ford F-150 XLT Supercrew. This powerhouse features a 157-inch wheelbase and is finished in a crisp Oxford white exterior with a medium dark slate cloth interior. Under the hood, you will find the legendary 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, paired with an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission. This four-wheel drive beast is ready for anything the Valley throws at it. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are hauling gear up to the rugged backroads of Sumas Mountain or navigating the city streets, this F-150 is designed to dominate. This XLT model comes equipped with the 301A equipment group, giving you a perfect blend of utility and technology. We have added the optional skid plates and the black platform running boards to ensure you are protected and have easy access to the cabin, no matter where your Fraser Valley adventures take you.
Inside, the cabin is a high-tech command center featuring a massive 12-inch center display and a matching 12-inch cluster display. You will enjoy the comfort of a power 8-way driver's seat and the convenience of dual-zone electronic air conditioning. The interior is also loaded with functional tech like the 5G modem, Sync 4 with AppLink, and a 1-year inclusion of the connected service package. It is a workspace that feels like a sanctuary, even when you are on a tough job site. For those who need to get work done, the tow and haul package is a game changer, featuring an integrated trailer brake controller and a Class 4 trailer hitch. The bed is fully protected by a tough bed spray-in Bedliner, and we have included the floor liner tray with carpet mats to keep the interior pristine. With the 7,200-pound gross vehicle weight rating and 18-inch painted aluminum wheels, this truck is as sturdy as it is stylish.
A common question we get is what kind of safety technology is included for towing and daily driving? According to the window sticker, this F-150 is packed with advanced safety features, including the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, a lane-keeping system, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. You also get the peace of mind that comes with the advanced track system with roll stability control and a comprehensive suite of airbags, including the safety canopy system and the anti-lock braking system. This 2026 F-150 is the ultimate tool for work and play in British Columbia. From its LED reflector headlamps to its zone lighting and the convenient power tailgate lock, every detail has been engineered for excellence. Come see why this truck is the gold standard for the Fraser Valley. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.